Make sure you have watched the How to Install an Alara Room Divider video, which covers the main steps required for all Alara Room Divider setups. This video will show you how to install a shelving and a spacer section. To start, you will need either the shelving or spacer kit and 25 cm high panels. You can use any of the widths depending on your required setup. In this video, we are using 100 cm wide panels. Ensure that your room divider is fully built up to the first post that you want the shelves or spacers to start from. Add in the panel underneath where the shelving or spacers will go. First, we will show you how to add shelves. If you want to add spacers, fast forward to 3 minutes 26 seconds. To add shelves, at the top of the base panel, first place a bolt through the shelf bracket and screw into the lug on the other side. Insert the bracket into the groove of the post, making sure it's straight with a spirit level before tightening. Ensure that the lug twists to secure the bracket. Clip the spacer into the post directly above this, then add in the next shelf bracket in the same way. Ensure that the screw holes on the bracket are facing downwards. Repeat this until 3 shelf brackets and 3 spacers are fitted. Directly above this, fit the small right-angled bracket. It attaches in the same way that you connect the shelf brackets. Make sure it is facing up as shown here. If you have a panel on the other side of this post, it should line up with this. Check it straight with a spirit level before tightening. Add any panels that go above the shelving. The size and quantity of these will depend on the height of your ceiling. Someone will need to hold this panel in place until secured properly with the other post. Fit the next post by clipping it into the panels in the standard way. Check that it is straight with the spirit level and fix in place. Fit the other top metal right-angled bracket first so that the top panels are fully secure while you work underneath. Now we need to add the shelving brackets to the second post, the same way as the other side. Now you can add in your shelves. Slide the first shelf into the top bracket. Starting at the top makes it easier to access the screws. Measure each side of the bracket to ensure that the shelf is in the middle. Then mark through the holes in the bracket on the underside of the shelf, at both ends of the shelf. Remove the shelf and pilot small holes where you have marked. This makes it a lot easier to screw in place. Then repeat for all 3 shelves. You can now fix the top one in place. Put it back into the bracket and line up the pilot holes with the holes in the bracket. Screw in place and repeat for the other shelves. Pop in the hole caps for a cleaner finish. You are now ready to place items on your shelves and enjoy your Alara room divider. To add spacers, measure 25 cm up from the top of the bottom panel and lightly mark the post with a pencil. This is where the top of the first small right-angled bracket needs to go. Screw the right-angled bracket into the groove on the post, ensuring that the lug twists for a secure fit. Now make sure it's straight with the spirit level before tightening. Then push in the spacer. Push a 25 cm high panel into the post and click into place so that it is sitting on top of this bracket. Somebody will need to hold the other end in place for now. Repeat for as many spacer panels as needed. Fit the next post by clipping it to the panels in the standard way. Check that it is straight with the spirit level and fix in place. Measure the position of the brackets on the post that you have already installed, and then fix the other brackets in exactly the same way and position on the other post. Pop in the hole caps for a cleaner finish. Your spacer section is now complete. Enjoy your Alara room divider.